Okay, boys and girls, we are here to do the dice program. Thus far, we've done a person counter, we've done the scorekeeper, we've done the coin toss, and now it's time to roll the dice. So we're going to first go to mako.microbit.org. We're going to create ourselves a new project. We need to call this something descriptive, dice roll or roll the die or game of chance or something like that. As always, we don't really need the forever, so we're going to get rid of it, which actually is not always the case, but for these programs that we've been doing, we don't need the forever loop. So when we start, we don't really want anything to happen. So you can do something like a string that says roll the dice or try your luck, or you could just do a 0 or something. I like to try to do something when it starts just so I know the program is running. So I'm going to just put in here show number 0. Then we have to create a variable, which is going to be the roll number. So roll number. And we're going to set roll number to 0 once we start. Then we can either do a shake to make the dice roll, or we can do a push the button. So we can push A or we can push B. If you want to be real creative, you can put like a little animation on here to appear every time that you do the A is pressed and have it go through different dice sides if you want, or just keep it simple and you're going to set your variable to be a random number. So we click on variables, going to set roll number, and instead of being 0, we are going to make it a random number. So we got to go to math and scroll down. Going to pick random between 1 and 6 because on a die there are 6 sides. So now, once we've set it to be a random number, we've got to check for all of those numbers and figure out which one it is. So we need a whole bunch of if statements. They are logic. So we're going to go here and take our if, and we're going to put a comparison because we're going to be looking to see if it's a certain number. And then we're just going to copy this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I've copied it 5 times, so that means I have a total of 6. So we're just going to put all of those in here to my if, or when I push the A. Okay? So now I got the 6 statements. So now I've got to compare my roll number to some number. So we're going to go to variables, roll number, if roll number equals 1, and then if roll number equals 2, if I can put it in the right place. Sorry. There we go. Be careful about those. Roll number equals 2, and roll number equals 3. Okay, you get the idea. And then you do 4, 5, and 6. And then for each of these, you're going to put in a display. So we're going to show the LEDs. If it equals 1, then we got a dot right in the middle. We rolled a 1. If it equals 2, then we've got 2 dots that we're going to show on on opposite corners. If it equals 3, then we just add a little dot in the middle, like 1, 2, and 3. So that's all we got to do. And this is the dice roll. So if I push A, obviously it doesn't equal 1, 2, or 3. See, there's a 3, there's a 2, there's a 2, there's a 1. Okay. And so when I push it and nothing happens is because it's equaling one of the other things and it's not changing at all. So you'd have to complete the rest of the program in order to get this to work. But that's really it. To get a 3, that's all you got to do. If you want a 4, you need to make it so that, like, if I push B, it would clear the die, or you could push B and roll a second die and then tell me the total of the 2 that you've rolled. So whatever you want to do, be creative, have fun with it, and just get it turned in. Hopefully this kind of clarifies things. Remember, you can share this if you're a distance learner, share your project, publish it, and then submit this code to Canvas. If you're having problems with publishing, which some people have been, then you can download the hex file and submit the hex file to Canvas, and I'll look at it that way. So either way, make sure you turn it in, and yeah, this is DiceRoll.